So the advisory opinion for the Pacific people means a significant lot. We've got the whole world here to discuss about the climate crisis. These processes can be frustrating for many, but we have to try every avenue so that we can protect what is so dear to us, which is our cultures, which is our languages, which is our lands, and all of our livelihoods and lives.
No climate justice without human rights! No climate justice without human rights! No climate justice without human rights!
Okay, up next, our...
Hey, oh, let's go! What do we want? Climate justice! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Climate justice! When do we want it? Now! Let's go! Hey, oh! 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 Let's go!
One of the questions, of the two questions that have been taken to court, includes historical responsibilities, and that includes reparations. There will be countries who will be putting forth their cases, especially in the Pacific, about historical responsibilities in terms of reparations and payments of countries that have actually caused the climate crisis in the developed world. And for us Pacific Islanders, we also need the finances that is required to adapt, mitigate, and also counter the losses and damages that we incur due to the climate crisis.
A little small, so keep it up for just a few more minutes, and then the live stream is going to kick.
I belong to the board of the Klimasenioren. We won our big claim in Strasbourg because countries who do not do enough against climate change, they violate human rights.
Climate justice without human rights! No climate justice without human rights!
No climate justice without human rights!
Let's go! Hey, oh! Let's go! Hey, oh! Let's go!
We work close together with the global youth, climate youth. We have the same goal, we have different ways. We took the legal way and we won. And in the future, we fight together.
The European Union, the African Union, the Organization of the Effects of Climate Change.
Conformément au paragraphe 1